All right, guys, this is Mr. Gucci with your last homework help video for 2020. Wow, guys. I basically survived, All right, good job, me. Good job. Let's do these ones here, okay? So, in these problems, numbers 19 through 26, I give you the formula, okay? And I ask you to give me the name of this compound. Now, let's see here. Let's just start off, all right? BE. BE is beryllium. God, beryllium. There's two L's. Yeah. 2020, I survived it pretty much. All right. What is PO4? What is this PO4 that we have two of? Well, I'm going to go this polyatomic ion sheet. PO4, PO4, PO4. PO4. All right. That's phosphate. All right. PO4 is phosphate. So this deal right here is beryllium phosphate. Okay. In fact, let me just paste this phosphate in here. Okay. Cool. Phosphate. Great. Be is beryllium. And what's the charge of a beryllium? Okay. Beryllium. Is it on here? Be. Beryllium. It is. It has a 2 plus charge. All right. So not only this is good. All right. Be 2 plus. All right. That means, guess what? We don't need Roman numerals. Okay. We don't need Roman numerals. Format, text, superscript. All right. We don't need Roman numerals here because beryllium always has the same charge every single time. All right. Bam, bam, bam. Done. Let's do another one. Let's do number 22. Sure. All right. What is NH4? That's a polyatomic ion if I ever saw one. Now, I give you parentheses here. All right. You're going to have to learn to just keep an eye out for NH4. Like, if I gave this to you, you might be like, oh, okay, it's N, and then it's H4F. All right. But no, it is, in fact, NH4 and an F. Right? It just takes a bit of practice. That's why I put it in parentheses to help you all out. Okay. So NH4. What is that? NH4. NH4 is ammonium. That's ammonium. Okay. So this positive ion is ammonium. Okay. Which doesn't need a Roman numeral because we know it's charged right there. All right. +1. And F is fluoride. I know you. I know you, fluoride. You have a 1 minus charge. All right. Bing, bang. Boom. Done. Done. Format, text, superscript. Okay, so that wasn't so bad, guys. You just have to identify the first ion, and then you have to identify the second ion. The only trick that I could see for some of these is picking out where one polyatomic ion starts and where another ends. Okay, so this is not LiCl and O2. This is Li and ClO2. Those are the two things here. Without parentheses, it can sometimes be a bit hard, but you'll get there, guys. Don't worry. I believe in you. Okay, let's deal with these last ones now. The real tricky ones. Number 23. All right, CuClO3. Well, Cu is copper. I know that. Okay. And what is the charge of the copper ion? Can I find it here? Can I copper, Cu. I can't find it. I can't find it. Uh-oh. This means that copper is going to have Roman numerals, okay? So we're going to put a Cu here. We just don't know its charge yet, okay? But ClO3, what polyatomic ion is that? ClO3. That is chlorate. Chlorate. All right, ClO3 is chlorate. I know I'm not making you memorize these things, guys, but just as a personal experience, memorize them just makes your life a little bit easier, all right? Because you're not always looking them up every single time. So this is a real debate on my part. Do I memorize? Do I get us to try and memorize them, knowing that like we're not really going to memorize them, all right? Or do we just keep doing this and hope that you absorb it? Okay, I don't know. I think I'm going to leave it up to you. All right, if you want this to go faster, maybe you got to spend a bit of time memorizing this. Man, or maybe I'll give an extra credit quiz, an extra credit memorization quiz for those people who really want to excel at this and be able to do this stuff quickly. Okay, but anyways, we got to figure out what is the charge of this copper ion. Okay, what is it? It could be anything. It could be copper 1, copper 2, copper 3. What we do know is that it takes 2 chlorates, 2 of them, to cancel out the charge of 1 copper. All right, so these chlorates are each 1 minus. All right, so let's see here. This chlorate is 1 minus. This chlorate is 1 minus. And we are allowed 1 copper to try and cancel that out. So what is the charge going to be on that 1 copper? I think you can see, guys. It's going to be a 2 plus. All right, there we go. This copper, in order to cancel out 2 chlorates, has to have a positive 2 charge. Nothing else will work here. All right, nothing else will work. You only have 1 copper to do the job. A copper 3, that's too much. That's too much. That won't work. All right. A copper 1, a copper with a 1 plus charge. That's not enough. That won't do it. You need a copper with a 2 plus charge. You need a copper 2 ion. Okay? So this is going to be copper 2 chlorate. Copper 2 chlorate. Copper with a plus 2 charge. Okay? This is exactly like what you were doing in the previous homework, guys. In fact, this whole worksheet, it just felt like a rehash of what we did on last homework. The only difference is I'm throwing some polyatomics at you. And no, you're not imagining that. That's actually what's happening here. Okay, let's take a look at this one right here. PB, PO3. Okay, PB I know is lead. Okay. Now what's the charge of a lead ion? Let's see here. Can I find it here? Lead. PB, PB, PB. I can't find it. Lead's not here, which means that it's going to need a Roman numeral in its name because it could have multiple possible charges. So it's PB, but we don't know what the charge is. Okay. Now PO3. We have to figure out PO3 in order to get the PB. All right. So PO3 is what polyatomic ion? PO3. Phosphite. Phosphite. There we go. All right. Phosphite. PO3 with a 3 minus charge. This is the polyatomic ion known as phosphite. All right. So the name is lead something phosphite. There's 4 phosphites here, each one with a 3 minus charge. So what does the charge of the lead have to be to cancel this? Man. Well, let's take a look. Let's get 4, count them, 4 phosphites together because this formula has 4 phosphites. So here we go. All right, phosphite is 3 minus, so let's get together 4 of these phosphites. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. There's 4 phosphites. Now, to cancel them out, we are allowed 3 leads. We are allowed 3 leads to cancel out these 4 phosphites. So what can we get 3 of that works here? What can we get 3 of that can fill this in? 3 lead 2s. 1, 2, 3. Now we see that doesn't work. There's all this extra stuff down here, so it's not that. Let's try the 4. All right, so here we go. 1, 2. Hey, am I doing this right? Am I lining this up correctly? Yeah, okay. Okay, so to make this work, we needed 4. Let's see here. We needed 3 of these leads. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So in order for this to work, lead has to have a positive 4 charge. This is lead 4 phosphite. Lead 4 phosphite. All right. Awesome. There we go. So again, that's how you had to. These were the trickiest ones down here, guys. These are the trickiest ones. That's why I gave you only 2 of these for homework, and the other 2 are going to be bonus. All right, if you get them done. Anyways, guys. Wow, this is my last video for 2020. 2020. What can I say about you? You sucked really, 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 really hard. Real hard, 2020. God damn, this was a bad year. But we survived, guys. We survived. We made it. You made it. And next year, new year, new me, guys. You're going to be able to celebrate the summertime by next year. You'll be able to go outside, play sports again. By the end of the school year, hopefully enough of these vaccines will be distributed that things are going to be getting back to normal. I can't wait. I can't wait to see all you guys. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. Okay, 2021 is going to be way better than 2020, guys. All right? I love you all. I hope you have a happy holiday season. Happy Hanukkah. All right. By the time you see this, Hanukkah will be done, but I'm recording this on like night 7. Happy Hanukkah. Merry Christmas. Festive Kwanzaa. Whatever you do it. All right. Celebrate. Happy New Year, guys. Later.